and ways to make it a little bit more comfortable. So getting comfortable on the couch with your knee up, lean back, slouched a little is not going to be optimal for breastfeeding. You might even start to feel some tension in your shoulders, your neck, lower back. So what can we do to help prevent some of those aches and pains that come with breastfeeding? The first thing to do is make sure you have lots of support handy, and you don't want to be in the center of the couch. So I'm going to move over so that I have somewhere to put my arm. If you don't have that available, you will use a stack of pillows to do so. Okay, you're gonna place a pillow behind your back. You can place an additional pillow under your arm or even on the other side as well. Okay, and then as you go to breastfeed, you are bringing baby up to boob. You are not hunched over and using your legs and arm to support you here. So you're using that elevated armrest or those additional pillows to help support and prop everything up so you can relax, stay in that nice stacked posture, and avoid any neck, back, or shoulder pain that might come with breastfeeding. So have all those supports handy and ready. Both feet are flat on the floor, and it just kind of relax into the moment.